Empire FX, and this trader talk. It's been long that I come on online here to talk to you guys. I strictly trade synthetic indices, guys. That's what I trade. Let's not waste much time. Subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Let's grow this channel. Yeah, and just know something. Bigger things I want to be doing on this channel is I'm going to give some free things on this channel that will turn your life around in forex trading. So please try, subscribe, and share. It will help. Let's go into the main deal. The purpose of this video is to let's go in. So guys, welcome to my chat. This is Empire FX. Don't forget, a student of DAPO Willis University. So what we use top-down analysis. The essence of this video is for us to come online here to tell you guys, to show you how the week will go and the month, and to practice what we preach. We preach top-down analysis, and it has been working 99%. I'm proud to say that top-down analysis works 99%. It remains one of the best method of trading and the easiest one that anybody out there can understand it. Even a dump. I'm sorry, no insult, but I'm just giving an example. Okay, so first of all, using top-down analysis, you have to come to the monthly time frame to see what the candlesticks are saying. Then we'll head down to our weekly. This V75 index and the overall trend. As you all can see, forex mastery student can understand this. I'm a student. They know that this market is overall trend for this market is downward, is bearish. Let's go to the weekly and see what the weekly is saying. So a pattern has formed on this pair. A neckline has been broken and back for retest. We are pushing down. So guys, we're not doing much on V75. The overall trend for V75 is bearish, and all you should be looking for is sell. Yeah, sell. As you sell, you wait for pullback and you engage it again. So after any impulsive move, the market must stress at least 50% of the movement before it will continue her journey. And we have any previous low or high that is broken, the market usually go back to test it. Here we have broken a major level, broken the neckline, a previous low, which is here we have broken and broken a minor level. We are back for retest, we push down. The market has given us an impulse move, 2 legs down, and it's about time to come back and give it a retest, kind of retrace back a little before continue. So let's go on the H4. Let me show you guys how you can trade this market. Now let's bring a fib, one of the tools that gives result as well. From swing high to swing low. The market has given us here. All right. So when you see me draw this green on my chart, it means fib level that the price might, come into. You can see the previous low was broken. We shall come back to test it. The previous low was broken, price came back to test it. Okay. We might come here, as wick is fresh, we might dance, form something like this, before we might push down to the downwards. So you can use your counter trend. Look at where I took this trade. I use counter trend. This is one of the method of entry that we use in Willis Capital and Willis University. So it's a sell. But what is currently happening on V75 is a pullback into fib, and we shall look forward going down. All right, guys, that's that on V75. Let's not just dwell much on it. What another pair? Let's go to V25. This is one of my favorite pair. I'm looking forward to trading the whole of this month. Okay, I've seen what, guys, top down analysis remain the best. Remain the best. Remain the best. I encourage you. I'll put the link. The link is below for mastery program, DAPO WILLIS mastery program. And if you want to trade with, if you want me to coach you, you can as well chat me up. Have my link down. But the link for DAPO WILLIS mastery program is in the is down below in the description box. Okay. All right. So first of all, we have to go to the monthly to see what the market is. The market on the monthly of V25 index, the market, forgive me, I keep on bringing my arrow. So the market has shown us what is called, has formed what is called an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Mastery student will know this. All right. So the market is still forming that. It's still forming that. This is a neckline until break it, come back for retest. But what is currently happening here is that if you go to the weekly, all right, you could see that the market has pulled back into fib. All right, market has fall back into fib. This is a minor level, this is a major level. As you know, market moves from zone to zone, major zone to major zone, move from here to here. When it was done, it's pulling back. But I also look at it is because of top bottom, and I believe this market will continue to the upside because on the daily, if you measure a fib, sorry guys, so many things drawn on this chart. These are my trade ideas, the ones I took in the past. From swing low to swing high. All right, you can see that sorry guys, let me bring my arrow. You can see the rejection on the daily where market has dropped into a fib level here. See the rejection, and it shows the market I want to head back. So all we're looking for here is a buy opportunities. I believe based on the top down analysis, and I believe my analysis, we are gonna head up in V25. Okay, we're gonna buy from here. A first take profit will be at 2184.968, which is this level. We'll break, we shall come back for retest, bounce, we shall buy to the upside for the whole month of which May, right? This month, guys, all we'll be looking for is buy opportunities on V25 and V75 index. We just wait for pullbacks and we'll get in and hope to the upside. That's all that. Let's not dwell much on that. How so many pairs we're going to talk about. Let's touch V10. Okay, V10. Let's go to our weekly and monthly to see what's going on. Here we are on the monthly chart of the V10 index, and as you all know, this is very clear. Market moves from zone to zone. This market formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern. The left shoulder, the right shoulder, the head, and it failed to adhere to the rules of chart patterns. When we're trading this market, I thought we're gonna come here to test the neckline. As you know, necklines sometimes do come into fib. Okay, so this is one of the example of failed chart patterns that has formed and failed to give its response. When I was trading it, I looked at this way we might come into FIP here and we're going back up, but the market fails. So market moves from zone to zone, from this zone to this zone. So our next target for this market will be at 6186.657, which is this major demand zone here. All right, market will pull back into. It's very simple. Yesterday I was able to milk it and make some good amount of cash out of this V10 as the week was running up to go close. All right, so let's go on the weekly. You can see it's very clear. We are pushing down to 6186.657. So overall trend for V10 is bearish. It's a sell market. Okay, what we should be doing all is sell market. And as you can all see, man, that's what I love top down analysis. The market, when market was in this zone, when it was done, it came and give us major one, major one, major one, and a non-major one. We're pushing downwards. Okay, this one is our minor levels. If you want to know how to draw this major levels and minor levels, please go in the description. The link is there for you to join the Forex Mastery program by DAPO WILLIS. All right, guys, that's what is there. So we're not doing much on this, guys. The overall trend here, guys, is bearish, and we don't buy or we don't sell when the market is stalling or ranging. The market has been ranging here, for quite some time now. You see, so by yesterday I was able to make this market from here to this point. I made money, okay, because I know what the market is gonna do, okay, based on top down analysis, and still yet this market is gonna push down. Like I said, this V10 index, guys, let's not dwell much on that. Which other pair are we going to talk about? Let's touch on V10, then we'll go to jump index and the rest of them. First of all, guys, we're going to go to our monthly, based on top down analysis to see what candlestick pattern of formation is saying there. Welcome to the monthly. Guys, yeah, forgive me, I normally bring my arrows so that I'll show you guys well. This market has formed a ranges here for years, a big time, okay, and it has broken the neckline. It has broken the neckline, guys, and we are back for retest. What is happening here is just kind of pullback, a realization, okay, the market is doing. So the market has formed what is called double bottom, this neckline. Yeah. So what I was looking at this market, I'm looking at this market in the light that we shall come back for retest. But depends on how this monthly candle will close. Let's see whether we're in line with that. Swing low to swing high, guys. We might likely fall back, into this level. Be watching on the bigger, So one thing is that when you're analyzing a market, always look at the negative side of the market. You can analyze the market in your favor and against you, so that I can be on the safer side, okay? I'm looking at the bigger picture. Should this market pull back, we're going to come to this level in between 50 and 61.8. That's in between this 93.4.49, which is this level here. The market might fall into. That is coming to retest the neckline that has been broken. You know that in top analysis, when a neckline is broken, price normally comes back to test it and falls into fib. Okay, so that's the essence of that. The overall trend for this market is a bullish market. Let's go to the weekly, guys, to see what is happening. You see, I've said it, guys. I've said it. We are still gonna drop, guys. We are still gonna drop. You can see very clearly. Neckline broken. How many ton? 1, 2, 3. When the market, let me give you one clue. When the market, let me go to the daily so that you understand what I'm talking about here. That's what I advise you to go for top down analysis by DAPO WILLIS, or hit me up. I teach the same thing. Now, a trader can open his chart and be confused based on the movement and all that. No. But I open my chart and understand what the market is doing. buy without even doing anything. When a market, when price break out of a major level, you see fantastic turning point in the market, at least three, and the fourth one give you the deepest one. When this market was here, we will count this as 1, 2. This is an pullback for retest. 1, 2, all right, 3, 4. Did not go deep, but I see what's happening. Guys, I believe we're gonna come down. These are weekly. These are the daily trend line. If we're able to break this trend line, close below it, guys, be rest assured we'll be pushing back for retest, a deeper retest, judging based on the monthly candlestick. Okay, so this market here is not something for you to just jump into and say, okay, market's going to do this, going to do that, going to do this, going to do that. We have to wait for trend line to be broken, close below, then we push down to the downwards. Okay, guys, that's that on the V. You can see it's very clear. It's very clear, guys. Look at the 2 weekly candles. It shows you when we're going back for retest, from a week, I shall be pushing down, down to this zone. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. Not as if we're changing trend and the market. No, the market has been here for long. In the market, you find it difficult to come back and start going back downward. The neckline has been broken and we're coming back for retest. And this time, this retest is taking place on the monthly time frame. So that's why you're going to give us a deep retracement, a deep one. So what we should be looking for here on this pair is sell opportunities. Okay, this V101S. V101S, for people that don't know, is different from V10. Okay, it moves faster than V10, and the lot size are different. I mean, it moves faster. The volatility is different. It's high compared to V10. That's what is there. Let's look at another pair we can talk about. Let's go to jump pairs. Okay, let's go to jump pair. Guys, here we are on jump 75 monthly time frame. As you can also see, the market is forming what is called an inverse head and shoulder pattern. The head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Okay, and we're about to push back up. We are back for retest actually. Or we can still the pattern. You can picture there are patterns inside patterns. Let me go back to, because you can see rejection here on the major level. It shows you that the market is refusing to go down. The buyers are in control. The market want to push to the upside. I have a counter trend line on the monthly, on the weekly here. This is on the weekly, guys. Okay, so once you break close above it, be rest assured we'll be going to the upside. Okay, but the market is bearish. Let's go to the weekly. Let me show you something. Okay, now the idea is this. On the bigger picture, we have what is called an inverse head and shoulder. You can spot that better on the monthly. This is the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. It's that clear on the weekly. But also coming on the monthly, also coming to the weekly, you can still see that. Look at inverse head and shoulder pattern. That's pattern inside pattern. Okay. 1. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Okay, here is the neckline. Let me bring my green. When you see that green, it shouts for 2 things: neckline and fib level. Okay, just for you to understand what I'm trying to say. This is the neckline. We shall break this neckline, come back for a retest, a bounce, we shall buy to the upside. But should price go above and close here on the weekly, that we're heading up. We're heading up. And also, if you look at here on the weekly, you can still see what is called double bottom. This double bottom. Okay, this is a neckline. Price has broken it and is back for retest. and we're trying to bounce, this serves as a counter trend line, for our one of our major point of buying or selling method. Okay, so in top down analysis, that is in Willis University. Okay, so we're about to head up. If you bring your fib, guys, fib is one of the, you can see this price has respected the fib. Price came in between 50, and 61.8. And this is a confluence zone. This is Willis zone. If you have had the opportunity to take a sniper entry, but what advice is checking this is not good. Wait for this counter trend line to be broken. This is a Willis zone where there's major level, where there's level, where there's trend line, where there's fib level. Look at major level here. All right, demand level, a dynamic demand level. Look at it here. Look at trend line. Look at fib. All right. So what's happening here, guys? We're gonna wait. Once the neckline is and the counter trend line is broken, price close above it. Let's go on the daily and see. We're gonna wait for daily candle to close above it. Once it close above it, guys, we're gonna buy. We're gonna buy. All right, we're going to buy. Just waiting for price. All this did not close well, so we're gonna wait until a bullish candle, guys, sorry, closes above here. You understand? It's confirmation that we're gonna buy to the upside and we'll push back to the upside. We'll push the upside. That's what is there, guys. Which other pair we're gonna talk about? Guys, the reef has added other pairs on step index. We now have step index 200, 500, okay, 500, So let's talk on, let's go on step index. So guys, here we are on the monthly chart of step index. We normally come on the monthly to see what the candlestick is saying, the candlestick formational pattern is saying, okay? And the market is bearish. Overall trend of step index is bearish. You understand? It's bearish. So, where's my arrow? It's bearish, guys. So now, we are broken. As you know, market moves from zone to zone, from this zone to this zone, from this zone to this zone, and we're pushing down. There's a zone below, all right? But the market has, we have seen an engulfing candle, all right? Then the market has indicated that it will not relax. We have broken this level. We're back for retest. We might see a push to downwards. Okay, so that's what's happening. A push to downwards. I'm not minding this bullish candle because based on what the market has done so far, or this market can decide to be in this place and start giving a formation. But we are going to push down. That's why I look at it. We are going to push down, a break and retest of the major level. Had it been this candle closes above here, but this is a rejection, then we said that, okay, we might be likely going back to this level to test it for a second time or before doing anything. Or the market is trying to form a pattern on the monthly. Okay, so, but don't worry, I'll give you the trade idea for this trade, for this. As you can see, the market is just retesting. We are going to, there's a tussle between buyers and sellers here. That's what is going on here on the step index. So the market is kind of installing now, kind of trying to range on the higher time frame. So it will be wise you stay out of the market for now. It will be wise, guys. You stay out of step index. No, not stay out completely, but just wait to see what the market will do first. Okay, just see what the market to do. Let's not just go far. Let's use the lowest one here. No, that wouldn't be of a good example. Use a trend line. What I'm trying to say is that until this trend line is broken, we are pushing down. But when it's broken, we'll be heading to the zone of 8574.2. But what I'm looking at here now is that this market is just trying to install here, because I can also see what is called or inverse head and shoulder pattern that is forming. Well, what's up with this? Head, left shoulder, right shoulder, okay? Neckline, broken retest, push to this level, or as a retest has happened, it's trying to install here, then we'll push to the downwards. So let's get a trend line, a counter trend line on the weekly for this homeboy, this bad boy. Yeah, the essence of this counter trend line is to save us from taking a premature trade. Okay, so what we're looking at here, a major level is broken, we're back for retest, and the market is ranging here. We don't take trade inside the ranging market. We wait for a breakout. So we'll have two breakout now. Either we'll break to the upside or break down. But I'm favoring the downwards, because if you break here, guys, we'll be selling down to the previous low, which is here. We're taking a profit at 799.1.5. Okay, we'll be taking a profit there. Once price break and close, daily candle break, or H4 candle close, so that daily candle close below here, guys will be selling to this level. Okay, and if you go to the weekly, once the price closes above here, we buy into 8574.2, which is this level. Okay, guys, so that's that on step index. So what we're going to do now is for you to wait. You must trade with a plan. So guys, wait and trade with a plan. You don't rush into trade because market is going up or going down. You trade with a plan. That's what we'll do here on Willis University. Okay, all right. So you can join my link. My Telegram channel is Beji Empire FX1. Okay, the link is down here. You can click and join me on Telegram. Okay, please try to subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe to this channel, share and comment, and let me know what you want me to talk on next. Okay, guys, but above all, I was able to take Forex Mastery Program by DAPO Willis. That is a student of Willis Capital. I was able to make it and milk in the market so far, getting some coins from it. You can also get coins. If you are confused, you don't know where to go, you don't know what to do, you don't know which a reliable methodology to use, I advise you, top-down analysis is the best. Embrace it and you see victory. Okay, cheers. This is Empire FX. See you.